Imagine you step outside. No warning, no countdown. Just one breath of open air, and your blood begins to boil. Not metaphorically, literally. The moisture in your lungs flash vaporizes, your skin swells, your eyes bulge, and in under 60 seconds, you are dead. Not from the cold, not from the silence, not from the emptiness stretching 100 million miles in every direction. You died because you breathed. Welcome to Mars, the planet we've spent billions of dollars trying to call home. From orbit, Mars looks almost romantic. Burnt orange deserts, ancient canyon systems wider than the continental United States, towering volcanoes frozen in geological time, sunsets that bleed violet and blue instead of red. Poetic, almost. The rovers send back photos, and people say, it looks like Arizona. It looks like Utah. It looks like somewhere we could survive. But something is wrong, because the moment that beauty touches you, the moment you step into it without 3 inches of engineered metal between your skin and that world, it will kill you in ways that feel almost personal. Mars has an atmosphere. That sounds reassuring. It isn't. It's 95% carbon dioxide. The atmospheric pressure on the surface is less than 1% of Earth's. That's not thin air. That's essentially standing in the vacuum of space with extra steps. No pressure suit means no circulation, no oxygen exchange, no life. Just a body that doesn't know it's already dead for about 45 seconds. The Curiosity rover confirmed this. It landed, it rolled, it measured, and every reading came back the same way. Nothing here wants you to survive. But here's the problem. The air is the easy part. Earth has a magnetic field, a planetary shield, invisible and ancient, deflecting solar radiation every second of every day. You've never thought about it. You've never had to. Mars lost its magnetic field billions of years ago. Nobody fully understands why. The core went cold, the shield collapsed, and the sun began slowly sandblasting the planet into a radioactive wasteland. On Mars, you would absorb radiation equivalent to a full-body CT scan every single day. NASA's own data from the Mars Science Laboratory confirmed radiation levels that would exceed career astronaut limits within 18 months. Not decades, months. Cancer doesn't announce itself. It builds quietly, invisibly, while you sleep in your habitat thinking you're safe. But it gets worse. In 2018, a dust storm swallowed the entire planet. Not a region, not a continent, the entire planet, for months. The Opportunity rover, a machine built to survive Mars, went silent. It never woke up. These storms carry electrostatically charged particles that cling to everything: solar panels, visors, oxygen filters, lungs. Engineers have no reliable solution. The storms come without enough warning, they last without mercy. And somewhere beneath all of that is something we still don't fully understand: perchlorate chemicals soaked into the Martian soil that are toxic to human thyroid function. You can't farm in it, you can't touch it without protection. The ground itself is poisoned. And yet, we keep looking at Mars like it owes us something. Like the universe made a mistake, left a spare room unlocked, and all we need is the right key. But maybe that's the most terrifying truth of all. Not that Mars is dangerous, not that it's cold or radioactive or dead, but that we are so fragile, so perfectly designed for one pale blue dot in an infinite cosmos, that every single other place we look, the universe stares back and says the same thing. You were never meant to be here.